Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create some of the most powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools available. Today, I'm excited to introduce a brand new tool designed to make your travel and logistics planning easier than ever: the Closest Airport Locator in Excel. This tool allows you to instantly find the nearest airports to multiple addresses directly in Excel. Whether you're managing travel routes, planning deliveries, or organizing patient or passenger logistics, this tool saves you hours of manual searching. No need to bounce between spreadsheets and Google Maps anymore. If you're new to our tools, we've been developing Excel-based solutions for over 16 years, and we've proudly served more than 7,500 clients, from small businesses to large organizations. We've also earned 130-plus five-star reviews on Google, with customers consistently praising our tools for being intuitive, reliable, and incredibly efficient. These tools have saved users countless hours and simplified some of the most tedious tasks, all while staying inside Excel. Here's how to use the Closest Airport Locator in Excel. After downloading the file, go to the Settings sheet. First, paste your Google Maps API key into the designated field. Then, choose your preferred distant unit, either miles or kilometers. You can also decide whether you want to limit the results to the top 3 nearest airports by selecting yes or no. If yes, the tool will return only the 3 closest airports per location. If set to no, it will return all airports within the range you define. You'll be able to set a maximum search distance. This tells the tool how far to look from each location. For example, if you enter 50,000, the tool will search for airports within 50,000 meters, or 50 kilometers, of each address. Lastly, you can use the Exclude Terms field to filter out unwanted results like Helipad, heliport, taxi, or shuttle. Once your settings are in place, go to the data sheet and paste or type in your list of locations in the address column. You can use full street addresses, zip codes, city names, or even latitude and longitude coordinates. The tool is built to handle all of it. After your data is entered, head to the top of Excel and click on the new Airport Tool tab. You'll see 2 buttons, Clear Data and Get Data. Click Get Data, and in just a few seconds, the tool will generate the closest airports for each address, including the airport name and the driving distance from your input location. The Closest Airport Locator in Excel is 100% Excel-based. No installations, no coding, and it works worldwide. It's built for speed, accuracy, and ease of use. And it's perfect for professionals who need to make quick, data-driven decisions using geographic data. Ready to give it a try? Click the download link in the description to get started. If you have any questions or need help customizing the tool for your workflow, feel free to call, email, or use live chat on our website. And yes, we actually answer. You'll most likely be talking to Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tool helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Excel tools. See you next time, and happy locating.